The rupee registered a dramatic rise of more than 2% in the last 1 week, which posed a big surprise to the market participants. Rupee touched a high of 73.28 on Friday, the highest level since March 3, 2020. The gain in the rupee by 2% in the past week is significant, as all the other Asian currencies registered a marginal rise of 0.20% to 0.50% in absolute terms in the corresponding period against the dollar. In the current scenario, the unfettered money printing drive by major central banks has fueled the risk on trade in markets, even as the COVID crisis rages on. Amid the risk on trades in the market and upbeat equities, the domestic currency looks primed to test the 73.00 level, and only the RBI intervention remains crucial to block the rupee's rise in their effort to provide a competitive exchange rate to exporters to boost export growth. There is a news in the market. The Reserve Bank of India may be unwilling to continue its buying of surplus dollars from the market, along with open market operations, which will cause double liquidity infusion into the market. This would lead to an unfavorable scenario from the inflation point of view, in the background of uncertain outlook on inflation over the next 3 months period or so. The absence of RBI intervention in the market has led to a significant up move in the rupee exchange rate. The sudden up move in the rupee can be viewed as a delayed reaction to the whooping rise in forex reserves and a sharp rise in the BSE Sensex. This up move in the rupee is quite unexpected by the market, and any further rise in the domestic currency beyond the 73.00 level would affect the export competitiveness. While the appreciation in the rupee exchange rate would favor the importers by way of obtaining a favorable exchange rate for settlement of the import transactions, the exporters will have to face the hard reality of a significant reduction in their export realization at a time when the exports are gathering momentum after registering a sagging growth in the March-July period. The sudden appreciation in the rupee exchange rate is bound to affect the export competitiveness vis-a-vis the favorable exchange rate prevailing in the other Asian currencies. The 10-year G-Sec yield registered a high of 6.23% on 24/8/2020 and ended the week at 6.1650%. With more G-Sec issuances in the pipeline, the bond yield can touch 6.25% in the next 1 week time frame. The money market yield curve up to 6-month maturities has shifted higher by 35 BPs or so in the last one fortnight. Due to uncertain inflation outlook, the money market and bond yields have risen higher in the last 1 week time frame. Also, the rupee's significant rise against the dollar triggered an up move in the forward dollar premia across the maturities. Though the forward dollar premia up to 3-month maturities were below 3.90% per annum, the forward dollar premia for 6-month and 12-month maturities ratcheted higher to end the week at 4.05% and 4.37% per annum respectively. The forward market differential between the 6-month and 12-month tenor has widened to 0.32% per annum. The significant steepening of the forward curve at the long end indicates the potential for a further moderate up move in forwards.